Hi guys, in this video, you'll learn how to make quick selector art in Photoshop. After open your image, duplicate it twice by pressing Ctrl or Command J 2 times. Go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. Let's set the amount just as below. Amount 240%, radius 3 pixels, and reduce noise 30%. And make sure Gaussian blur in remove box is selected. Click OK. Filter, Size, Diffuse, check to Isotropic, then OK. Next, rotate this image to 90 degrees. Image rotation 90 degree lockwise. Apply the diffuse filter again by going to Filter, Diffuse. Rotate another 90 degrees and apply the filter again with shortcut Ctrl or Command F. Keep rotate and add filter to it until the rotation is completed. These steps to apply the oil effect to your image. After you make a complete rotation, we'll sharpen it. Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen, and leave these values the same as the first time. Now we'll make another one of rotation to increase the oil effect even more. You can see the changes slightly increase. Sharpen your image again. Once you are done with the rotation round, just leave the value as they are. Let's see the before and after. It's great! We don't need to use layer 1, so just delete it. Right-click to layer 1 copy and choose Convert to Smart Object so we can modify non-destructively. Duplicate it twice with shortcut Ctrl Command J 2 times. Turn off two first layers. Select layer 1 copy. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open a text folder and select Cutout Filter. Set number of level to 8, edge of simplicity to 5, and edge fidelity to 1, then OK. Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. In here, you can adjust the amount to fit your personal reference. I'll change the amount to 200% and radius is 2 pixels. Turn on layer 1 copy 2 and add the cutout filter to it as well. Change the opacity to this filter to 30% or 30% by simply double-click to the icon next to Filter Gallery. Add cutout filter again. This time, we'll increase the edge fidelity to 2. Then, adjust the opacity of this filter to 40%. Use Unsharp Mask to sharpen it with the value as they are. Adjust the opacity of the image to 50%. Turn on the layer 1 copy 3. Go to Filter, Order, High Pass. To take the detail of the image, set radius at 2 pixels. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. It's nearly done. Just create level adjustment layer to add brightness and darkness. Create vibrance adjustment layer to enhance the color even more. Vibrance 41, saturation 8. Use color palette to increase red to 12, green to 7, and blue to 8 in midtones. For highlight, red to 3, green to -2, and blue to -7. Add a bit of contrast to image with curves by increasing highlight and decreasing shadow in RGB and red channels. Now, just group all layers into one and enjoy your work. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and you can enjoy our tutorials about Photoshop technique, tips while learning. Free tutorials are launched day by day, so it will satisfy your needs in case you are interested in Photoshop. Please leave comments right below the video in case you have any questions. Thank you and see ya!